If you are a medical student, a stay-home mom, a youth out there looking to invest your time into a credible side hustle or business idea that is able to give you predictable and sustainable source of income every single month, a side hustle that is scalable to be turned into a full-time business if you want to, this video is for you. This is part one of our income generating side hustles or business ideas that anyone can do in 2026 on a budget. Back to the video. If you are currently living within the business center of Uganda, this is Kampala, you must have observed that so many businesses are waking up to realize that social media is no longer an area or a ground where people just go to text one another, watch memes. Businesses and business owners are realizing that social media is the next shopping mall. Social media is an area where people are going to inquire, ask about their products and services. And guess what? Serious business owners are willing to invest into their social media presence. They are willing to grow a following online. Unfortunately, these business owners are either so busy with administrative work or sometimes they're into procurement for the company. They literally have no time left to invest in the social media game. And this is where an opportunity presents itself for you. You can show up today with minimum requirements, become a content creator for brands, a content creator for businesses. Let me explain. Here are the things you need to get started in this side hustle. Number one, you need a smartphone, which I think you already have. If you're already watching me, you have a smartphone. Number two, you need a tripod stand to be able to take good shots and stable videos. Number three, you need a video light, at least one, just like the one in the background here. You can easily get that for a little amount of money. And then maybe number four, you need a microphone, especially if your phone is not so good. That is your capital. And then maybe time. Now, next step is you being credible, pitching these people to allow you start creating content for them, because remember, they already know that it's a necessity, it's not an option. So you just need to understand their problems, understand what they want, and be able to pitch them along that line, and they'll be able to give you that contract so that you can start creating content for them and managing even their social media. So literally, if you are youth out there, this is an opportunity that you can get onto, especially my colleagues in the medical school. You're trying to find a gig that you can invest your time into. This is one. You can literally have this get going, and if you want, you can even invest your time into a particular niche and grow a digital marketing agency that only specializes in creating content for that particular business line. Let me give you an example. Earlier in 2025, on top of my dispensing job, I decided to go into content creation for brands. By that time, I didn't have any particular brand, but later on, I've come to streamline myself as a content creator for pharmaceutical brands, community pharmacies. And currently, I'm working with a very good pharmacy here in Uganda that is fast growing, and I'm growing its social media pages. I'm behind crafting its content, and it's working out. So I've limited myself to only pharmaceutical brands, given that I'm a pharmacy technician. I understand the pharmacy, that stuff. But I've found myself on some days where supermarkets, electronic shops are reaching out to me to help them craft content. And sometimes I do take on some gigs, but I'm limited to what I can do. And this shows you that there is demand, and you can decide to say, I'm going to take up the very first electronic shop, I'll take on the second one, I'll take on the third one, and before you realize, you have a digital marketing agency that helps electronic shops or electronic brands grow their pages online. That is how you build a credible side hustle for free in 2026. Now, if you love this kind of videos, save this video for later, leave a like. If you are interested in starting up this particular side hustle of being a content creator for brands, comment the word interested, and in the next video I will tag you, where I will show you how you pitch these companies, how you approach them, and be able to get that contract going. Otherwise, peace. See you in the next one.